There are people in Boulder and Jefferson County still without power. A charging station is now set up outside the sheriff's office in Boulder as more than 1,200 customers remain without power after yesterday's wind. Crews are still working to restore service with no clear timeline on when power might come back on. MTN's Johnny Walker reports.
As communities across Montana continue to recover from Wednesday's windstorm, thousands of people here in Jefferson County still remain without electricity and without access to clean drinking water. Jason Johnson is a firefighter with the Clancy Volunteer Fire Department.
I believe yesterday we ran 7 calls and it had been about 5 to 6 hours.
Today, Jason's fire hall has been transformed into a generator-powered charging and warming station, providing impacted residents with a warm place to charge their personal electronics or medical devices, and a place to get non-potable water until the city's water services resume.
So we'll be running until 9 o'clock tonight. But with the water, we're stopping that at 9 so that we don't freeze that line going out and cause any damage with the cold weather coming in. And then tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, we'll have the water back up and going, and we'll run it till 9 again. And we'll do that until the power comes back on for everybody.
The Jefferson County Sheriff's Office set up a similar charging and warming station in Boulder, where Northwestern Energy reported this morning over 1,200 residents are currently without power, and city officials are asking citizens to conserve water use.
When without power, you always got to stay prepared. Your furnace might go out, your heaters might go out, any medical devices that you might need for your heart or for yourself or for someone else, and then anything you need that could help you survive. And anything runs on electricity.
And despite power being out throughout Boulder, one of the only businesses still open along Main Street is Ace Hardware. Owner Bridget Morse tells me people have been streaming in all day, buying things like flashlights, batteries, and extension cords.
Oh, just to help people. I know I don't want to see people suffering, and they need these things. And some people don't have the wherewithal to drive clear to Helena or Butte. An extra trip in a month is expensive for them. And just to go get some batteries or a flashlight, that can really hurt people.
Reporting in Jefferson County, Johnny Walker, MTN News.